Hi everyone, so I'm scared. Today I am going to be dyeing my hair myself, brunette. I've never been fully brunette before. I was once, but it didn't last very long. I was very young, I was probably about 14, 15. I just used like a packet, like semi-permanent from the shops. And it was really like orangey, and I feel like I just felt like Ranger, but not in a good way. Like I feel like it just didn't suit me. But I feel like when I don't have tan on, so this is my natural color, I feel like when I don't have tan on, my blonde like washes me out. It's not really showing up on camera. Like on camera it actually looks alright. Personally, I just feel really like washed out with the blonde. If you can hear scratching, it's my dog. He's decided to come into the bathroom with me, doesn't want to leave. So he's here. I'm actually not really that scared. I'm really excited actually. I'm really keen to see this. I've wanted to be like fully dark hair for like ages. Like for a whole year I've been thinking about doing it and I've just never done it. I've always been too scared to. I feel like right now I'm at a time in my life where I'm having some big changes happen in my life, and like I just feel like I'm changing for the better. My like level of self-confidence I have has just skyrocketed, so that's a good thing. And I'm just in that frame of mind of like, I just need to do things for me. This time in my life is all about me. I'm not focusing on anyone else. I'm freshly single. For about 2 months I've been single. So got out of a very long-term relationship. We'd been together since we were in school. So I feel like this is like the first time in my life that I've been like single and not had to worry about anyone else. And I'm kind of liking it. So I feel like, you know, what's a breakup or a big life change without changing your hair? So here we are. I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait. Like, I feel like I don't like myself with no tan on. And I was never like that before I started fake tanning all the time. I feel like I only started fake tanning all the time because I knew so many other people did it. So then I started doing it, and then I just got in this endless loop of always tanning. So we're gonna get right into it. So I picked up a lot of supplies. So I think all of everything cost me about $140. I did get like proper salon stuff. Because I'm doing this myself and I'm not a hairdresser, I wanted to make sure I got the best possible products and do it the best possible way I can. So I picked up just a hair painting brush, a mixing bowl, and because my hair is pretty thick and long, I knew I'd need a lot of dye. So I picked up the Color Royale Permanent Color in number 5 light brown. So when I went to the store to get this, they said if I want it to look more natural, to go this color. And because also too, if I don't like how it turns out and I do want to go back to blonde, it's going to be so much easier than going in with more of a red base color. So this is definitely a little bit more like ashier. So I think I'm still going to stick with the ashiness for now. I would like to try more of a warm brown, but I'm just going to do this first, see how I like it, and then if I really like it, I want to go a bit darker, more reddish like brown, I am going to do it. So I picked up 3 because I knew I would need a lot. And I also picked up the Color Royale 10 volume developer. My hair's pretty light, so like at the ends, so we're going to be going through a bit of a process today doing it. We're not just going to be going straight in with the dye. So I picked up this big one because like I'm going to need to keep touching it up and stuff, so I thought I may as well just get the big one. And then I picked up the Goldwell Soft Color Semi-Permanent in the shade 8K Light Copper Blonde. So this is going to add more, because I don't want my hair to go green. I know that's a big problem for people going from really light blonde, is that it can pick up green. So I need to basically put it in any of these light bits It's just more of a red base color that's gonna be that filler color for that brown to go onto, so it'll stick a lot better to my hair, and we'll get a better color result quicker instead of having to do like dyeing, washing out, blow drying, dyeing, washing out, blow drying, like twice. So this is going to be a bit quicker. I've just got a spray bottle with water, little clips, and then I was just saying to the people at the shop that I use their Make brand hair mask, and basically asking what like shampoos and stuff I need. So they've given me the Boost Color Vibrancy pack. So in here I get the shampoo, conditioner, and the mask. So this mask, they said, has a bit more protein in it, so it'll be a bit better for strengthening the ends, and then just to alternate between this one and the softening mask, which I normally use, because that'll keep my hair nice and soft. And this brand is vegan, sulfate, and paraben free. So this is really good for all you vegan girls out there. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section it off, and I'm just gonna do it into 4. So I'll do like that. And then, oh, I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Not really, actually. I'm really, really excited. I'm actually not that scared. I think it's just, I'm scared I'm not going to like it. I'm not actually scared about it not like working as such. I feel pretty confident doing it. I've never dyed my hair myself, but like I've watched enough of Brad Mondo's reactions to people doing home job hair to know what to do, I think. I'm like literally so scared. I've just got like an old ratty t-shirt on. It's Patrick from SpongeBob. I've literally had this shirt since I was 13. JJ's reppin', all you Aussie girls would know. Okay, so I think I'm gonna need like, I should probably use a handheld mirror, but I don't think I even have any handheld mirrors. It'll just be to like, I'll just have to keep checking the back to make sure that like every bit is coated. Okay, so I'm going to dampen my hair and then put the filler color through. Now, because I've got foils through my hair, like you are mainly meant to put the filler color through the blonde bits, but because I've got foils through the top, I'm gonna put it through the whole lot just to make sure I get every bit of those like blonde parts. I'm probably just gonna fast forward a lot of this for you, like speed it up. Now I'm gonna put on 2 pairs of gloves because I have sharp ass nails. So they're probably gonna like poke through. I was scared today before I bought all the stuff and everything, and I feel like now I'm just literally not even scared. Like, I feel like this is gonna be a good idea. I think I'm gonna love it. I think I'm just scared because I've literally been blonde for so long. Like I had like a platinum blonde moment for about 6 months, not last year, but the year before. So I've always had more blonde in my hair. And I don't know, I've always wanted to try brunette hair because, well, it's interesting because I get told I look like my mum a lot, and she's got very naturally quite dark hair. Like she's almost black, like it's a very, 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 very dark brown. And yeah, it'd be kind of interesting to see if I look a bit more like my mum, because I don't know, sometimes I see it, sometimes I don't. Like, there's definitely a lot of differences, but we do look alike. We are double gloved up. So, oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, no going back now. So this is gonna make my hair ranger for a bit, so I can't freak out. Yeah. Okay. We are about to do it. Okay, so I'm just pouring it out like so. I'm just gonna gonna run that through. I'm already turning orange, oh my god. I was also thinking about having like a Lily Brown moment and going like more like a real coppery like red tone, but that scared me a bit too much. I was like, I don't know if I'm brave enough to quite rock that, but who knows. We'll see what the future holds for my hair. Alright, this is the last bit that I've got to put the filler colour into. There's no going back now. So we're having a bit of a redhead moment here. What do you think? Let me know if I should go red in the future. I think I'm really going to love this dark hair. Like, I can already tell. I know it's not right now how it's meant to be, but like I can already tell that I'm going to like being darker. Like, I'm so damn excited. So I'm just going to blow dry this all in and then I will be back. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after blow drying in the filler colour. Kind of not hating the red. I'd be interested to see what this looks like with me, only with a tan on, but I'm not hating it. Like, it's definitely not the most flattering on me, but I'm not hating it. Like, I could go a ginger moment, you know, I reckon. So, kind of cute. So, my hair is fully dry. So, we're going to start doing the colour. So, I've sectioned my hair into 4, so I've got the 2 top parts and 2 bottom. I'll turn around so you can see how I have sectioned. I hope that's alright for you. Okay, so I'm going to mix the colour together. I'm so flipping scared, holy shit. So I'm just going to do like 1 packet at a time because I just don't know how much I'm going to need to use. I may not even need to use the whole lot of the whole 3 in one go. So we'll just see what happens. Okay, so I'm about to start doing the colour. I have just mixed up the colour, so I've done 1 tube, which was 60 grams with 60 mils of developer, so just equal parts. Oh my god. I'm so keen to see, oh god, those fumes. To see how that goes. I should not hold that too close to my nose. So basically, I'm going to start from the bottom. I'm going to get myself a tail comb to do this. So I'm not very confident in doing it myself at the back, especially because I don't have another mirror behind me, so I'm going to get my mum to do it for me. So basically we're just going to section bit by bit off and basically just work top down and then when we come through the top, work bottom up. So I'm going to start from the roots first and then I'm going to spread the colour through afterwards. Okay, so this is my hair after putting the dye in. I had to get mum to help me with like all of it because I was just like, I just can't see what I'm doing properly and I just wanted it to be perfect. So I have just trusted mum. She's coloured her own hair so many times. So I just thought I'd get her to help me, but I've got a bit of like dye on my face. Thank God I'm wearing makeup, so I'm literally just gonna go in and try and take off a bit of my makeup and like get rid of any dye that's like come down onto my face. Okay, and I tinted my eyebrows the other day, so they're nice and dark. So they're gonna match my hair. So, oh my god, I'm actually so excited to see this. I took a few videos on my phone because Mum had to get me to sit like in the bath so that she could like see down onto my head. So I will include that in here. And I will be back in 30 minutes after the colour has developed. Okay, so this is the finished result. I really like it. I think my eyes are standing out really nicely. Like, I do have makeup on, but even without makeup and before I put my tan on and everything, like, I felt like my eyes were already standing out a little bit better. So that's a bonus. I feel like it is just going to take a bit to get used to. Like, I've never been this dark, but I'm really loving it. I just put some loose curls through, tucked this bit behind my ear. I'm loving the side shot. I'm like, oh, money shot, yes. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like anyone who knows me is going to be really shocked. Like, I've only told like 2 or 3 people I'm doing it, and then I'm like surprising everyone else. So this is gonna be crazy. I'm not gonna put up any photos of it until I upload the video. So surprise, surprise, everyone. Oh my god, I actually love it. I feel like this is just the new me that I need, you know? I love it. Oh my god, let me know what you guys think. I think it's just gonna take time to get used to. Like, I feel so like classy. I'm like, hello, I'm here to get shit done. So you can see here, there's some bits it hasn't grabbed to as well as I'd hoped it would. And then like this bit here is a little bit orangey still. But I'm just gonna leave it because it's not like you can really see that part. And I'm just gonna wait until I go over it again, maybe in like a few days, or give it a week or something, and just to see how it goes. But I love it. Oh my god, it feels so great. I just feel like a completely different person, and I love it. I love it. Yes, I've wanted to do this for so long. I'm so glad I did it. Like, you know, I may go back to blonde one day, but I'm definitely feeling this at the moment. I feel like, what's her name? Stephanie Lang, who's on YouTube. Like, cause she went from really blonde to like really dark, and I loved it on her. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna go. Let me know what you guys think though in the comments. And again, Brad Monto, please feature me in your next video. I freaking love you. Your videos kind of inspired me to just do it myself, even though most of your videos are fails. So, alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and my Instagram is in a link down below in the description box. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.